For us, the core idea is that communities anywhere in the world have a right to be sustainable. They need to earn more than what they spend.
When I look at investing in children, I'm thinking more in terms of them having a right to live a life that is safe, secure, full of love. And we'll show a model that works. We'll show how it's possible to create a home instead of an institution.
Cricket is a very, very visual game. But if you look at it, blind people devised a way using sound to play the game. Blindness or disability is not the real problem, it is the way we all think.
We want basically that every single person who is affected by any of these big projects that are coming up, dams, mines, roads, highways, who are affected, are legally empowered to challenge them.
You have to advocate for change. You have to keep fighting till the day you die to make that happen.
So that's what social entrepreneurs stand for. They begin as a critic for something that doesn't work. They then don't rest until it works. The importance of investing in individual ideas that actually affect systemic change, they are irreversible, because when you really manage to flip a system, it begins to acquire a momentum that very few people can actually stop.
In 2004, we had hardly about 2 to 3 cases in a year where people would go to a court of law challenging mining, dams. But today we have almost like 15 to 20 cases a day where mining projects, dams, highways, all are being challenged on legal and scientific ground. That's what empowerment can do.
Homes across the country who used to not take HIV positive children, who are now taking them in and taking care of them. It's about ensuring systems change and more people have access.
Today, Drishti works with about 30,000 entrepreneurs. I believe every entrepreneur is a change maker.
Right from the beginning, we said that we do not want to grow as an organization. We want to grow as an idea.
What Ashoka has done is it has looked at all of these systems changing ideas and tried to see what are the values and principles that cut across. So it isn't just about supporting individual social entrepreneurs, it is learning from the work of social entrepreneurs to figure out the broader principles that are important for the entire world.
Innovation is the biggest strength of all entrepreneurs, be it social or commercial. But with social entrepreneur, there is no choice. I think innovation replaces capital.
If you really want to spread your idea, collaborative entrepreneurship is the key thing.
If you're working with people, communities, adults or children, the basic principle is participation.
If everyone in the world believed that he or she can be a change maker, then you would have many more people engaged with these problems that we're talking about.
I believe that all problems, howsoever grave they may be, can be solved if we just take ourselves out of the equation, solve the problems selflessly.
I think it's important for you to take responsibility and do it yourself rather than waiting for somebody else to come and do it for you.
And I think all of us have that potential to be agents of change. And it's how do you get others to buy into that? That's critical.